Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to do a mukbang video. I'll try because I'm hooked to ASMR and mukbang YouTubers right now, and I watch them like from 3 a.m. and all night. So I wanted to do a video like that, and it's been a while that I've been posted. And I also wanted to say that I actually prepared all of this from the scratch.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
Here we go, let's start. I'll give you guys a quick sneak peek to what I'm going to be eating. And I got my favorite. I cannot do without this. And also I'll be wearing gloves because I might get messy. So, and I actually took them out from my hair color, the ones you get in the hair color packets. So bear with the sound. I wish I could do ASMR, but I don't have the mic and all those stuff right now. But so, oops, my hands are too small for this. But first, I made some heart-shaped cubes that I got. I don't think so these are actually ice trays, but they are in heart shape, so it was quite cute, so I wanted to get them. So I'll be first making my Coke. Oops. This is the one, can you all see it? I am actually so hungry because I spent my entire half day cooking all of these. Yes! So let's get started.
One eternity later.
I'm actually so hungry I can't wait. Rice is love. So I'm not doing my workout right now, so I can eat all I want to. First, I would like to start with this one because it took such a long time to make. I have been prepping it since yesterday. So wow. But I'm sure I'm not going to finish all of this, so. So this is like a sausage chili that I made. Y'all, I am such a good cook. Like, basically this is just a video of me eating the food that I cooked, and I'm having myself
Ten seconds later.
I guess I made a lot. I got 6 pieces of from 6 right now and I can't clean up the
20 minutes later.
And you know, every time when I watch all these ASMR mukbang videos at night, I always feel hungry. Like,
Do you guys want some? Like, I love cucumbers, so cucumbers.
Much later.
this is why I hold the gloves. And these are the fried sausages which I got from a local shop here. And these are so good.
Many months later.
This is the second one.
So practically actually it's just this video entirely is
I'm already kind of full, but I don't know how these people eat all of those, a whole table full of food. Like, they be having an extra stomach somewhere. I mean, how? I'm shook. Like, They make it look so easy, like eating all of those foods.
Much later.
Itu mama lagi lagi kita ingat. Baru ingat. Mau kami dulu. Ah.
2,000 years later.
I'm done.
Thank you so much for watching my video, and do like and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys have an amazing day or an amazing month and year ahead. So with that,